Now our job is to create a project, start planning a project, right? So how do you plan the project? Is the first thing in planning the project is to create a work breakdown structure. Now, what is a work breakdown structure? Is a method of dividing bigger deliverables into smaller deliverables, right? The bigger deliverables into smaller deliverables. Something like this. Something like this, right? It shows there's a project has divided into some phases. Phases is further divided into like this is project divided into phases, divided into then phases further divided into deliverables. A deliverables is quite big, so we divide it into smaller deliverables. Now we find it is sufficient, so we stop it. Here you say a bigger deliverables may not be, see, you want to take a different approach. I don't want phase, I want direct deliverables. Deliverables, further sub-deliverables. This is further sub-deliverables and the further. The last item, which is not further subdivided, is called work package. This is a scope management concepts of project. If the project is too big, you can divide into sub-projects also. Then you will see that project and deliverables will reach to work package, and below work package is the deliverables. Below work package, we put task 1, task 2, task 3, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, means the activities to be performed to complete that work package. The activities to be performed to complete that work package. So below work package is the activities. So when we create a hierarchy in MS Project, the lowest item which you will see will be activities. And that is the activities where we will actually work. Because if we complete this, that means this is completed. So nothing to do at this point, only this point, these are the places to perform. These two are done, then this is done. These two are done, then this is done. These two are done, then this is done. So you basically have to act here. This will make this one, everything. So our whole concentration will be on the last, that is at the activity level. The upper layer, we normally call them summary task in MS Project. We need not to touch. They are completely driven by MS Project themselves. Right? So we will select a project. I think we can prepare a schedule. Right? So which project you want to take?
Construction
of house. That will be common one. Construction of house. So home
construction of a house.
That will be a common one, right? For everyone, I think. Something reliable.
Easy to understand by people. Is that okay with others? Shivshankar?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So construction of a house, and we have construction engineer already here, so they will help us in some technical stuff if something is required, right? Also, I think some construction projects are a little better. Take as an example is the reason that in construction there are a lot of material get procured, and human resource get involved, and equipment also get involved. In software project, I've seen that the material is missing actually. So that becomes like a human resource driven project. So once one aspect become little weaker. So, and this developing a house is very like everybody understand easy. So we can develop that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try that. So what we do actually, so first we will create a work breakdown structure and then we see how to create that work breakdown structure. Okay. So how we will create first phases. So in a suppose I want to develop a ground plus one construction house, a independent house. Okay. A ground plus one independent house. So what do you think, like what phases we will go through?
First planning.
First planning, okay. Then first planning, then
There is a two working stages. First pre-construction stage and post-construction stage.
pre-construction and post-construction.
Yes.
So what is pre-construction?
Designing, planning.
Okay, okay. And then the groundwork. The groundwork on
Yes.
the ground, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay, okay.
So designing, planning and designing, then the one we design.
So, then what should we do? First is planning and designing, something like that.
Yes.
So planning, design, and
Execution.
I will say construction.
Execution.
Yeah, we can say construction.
Yes.
Procurement.
Yes.
Procurement and after construction. Procurement. Procuring materials.
Procurement.
Mobilization.
Okay.
Mobilization.
Mobilization. Okay. Construction. See, mobilization is a part of construction, right? It's the initial starting the work.
Yes, moving the machineries, manpower.
Yeah, so instead of considering mobilization a phase, let's consider mobilization as a part of the construction.
Yes.
For the like bigger phases on the higher level.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
Or I think you consider procurement is also part of the construction.
Yes.
Okay. So planning, design, construction, and then what is like once the construction is over, what happens? Some kind of verification, inspection, etc.
Construction, then deliveries,
Sorry?
possession.
Possession means you need some inspection, etc. Inspection and possession, something like that, right?
Inspection and possession, yeah.
Yes.
Right? Inspection. I think these four are good enough, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So in the planning, what should be there? Or let's say, sorry, yeah.
Preparing the scope, schedule, and budget.
Scope, preparation, and scope, and then budget, right?
Budget and schedule also, right?
Yeah. And schedule preparation. Scheduling, right?
Yes. Acquisition of land. So
Land acquisition, from where it will come? Land acquisition before planning or after planning? Should be before planning, right?
No, it's a parts of planning, sir.
Okay. So let's say
First land acquisition.
first should be land acquisition. Okay. So land acquisition, and then so I consider two things in that: land acquisition and planning and project planning. Right? These two things I consider as part of planning. These three things I consider as part of project planning.
Yes.
Right? I do indenting. Yeah? You see, or land acquisition, you will put some more things like land survey.
Licensing. Yes. Licensing.
Licensing, LI. What is the spelling?
LIOSON.
Right?
Yes.
That's all, or something. Land registration.
It's parts of licensing.
Part of licensing. Okay. So these two are part of it. So I will select these two things under land acquisition. So I did not select the land acquisition and indent it. So I give, because they become part of land acquisition. Right?
Yes. Licensing. In licensing, it's taking permissions from different local bodies.
Yeah, I will put one more thing, maybe say approvals.
Yes, approvals,
Right?
permissions. Yes.
Here I can put a plan approval. Right?
Yes.
Plan approval. These are part of it. Now let's look at this designing. First is
Requirements of
requirement.
Requirement of related interested parties.
Yeah, let's say requirement.
Yes. Okay.
Then probably some architecture.
Yes. Appointment of consultants.
Yeah, see, the thing is that we are in the training, right? I have to, we have to keep the length of this project little limited. Otherwise, a lot of time will go into writing these stuff. I just want
Okay, no problem, sir. Yes,
just
requirements.
try to create a base which is sufficient for us to work out features of the MS project, right? So do not want
Okay,
to go
requirement is sufficient.
Yeah.
So civil design, electric design,
Drawings.
those things, drawings.
Yeah. So I say it's drawings, eh?
Yes, drawings.
Requirements, drawing. That is good enough.
Yes, and methodology.
I think that's part of the drawings. Let's say detailed drawings. Detailed drawings, and I say design approval.
Okay. Okay.
In the construction, we can say, I think, what is that? Superstructure and substructure kind of thing.
Substructure and superstructure.
Excavation.
So these are two part of the construction. I can put this inside. And then under superstructure, I can say excavation,
Substructure. Earthwork.
earthwork, and then
Earthwork, RCC.
acha, okay. That's all.
Yes.
So earthwork is a kind of excavation and filling, and the RCC is the structure under the earth, right?
Yes. Yes.
Basically, we are talking about the foundation. True?
Yes. Foundation.
So let me use this kind of excavation and foundation instead of earthwork. I just want to use the terminology which is commonly understood instead of civil specific.
Excavation.
Yeah. Excavation and foundation.
Yes.
So don't want to use civil specific terminology. So
Yes. Yes. Sir.
good for you, but the people are from software also. They have no idea about what.
Yes. Here also RCC and finishing.
Here is RCC.
RCC.
Yeah,
and
the
finishing.
concrete work.
Yes, concrete work.
And the finishing work.
Finishing work. Okay.
These
That's
are
all.
the superstructure. And under that, because I think concrete will be something else, right?
Yes, sufficient. Concrete
Erection
is
of column, beams. All
Oh.
these come under concrete.
concrete slabs.
Erection of column, beam, slab.
Column beams, column and beams, something like that. Or
Yes, column, slab and beam.
columns,
Second row.
or I think let's put this way. First floor and second floor, what about this?
Yes, no problems.
So
Ground floor and first floor.
G floor and then the first floor.
First floor. Okay.
And under ground floor, we can say some concrete work, right? So columns and slabs.
Yes, column and slab.
And they all go together, right?
No. First column, then slab and beam.
Okay, so let's do it two instead of one. Is that
It's a conventional procedure. Now it will in Mahavan shuttering.
everything is together?
Yes, everything is together.
So I think it is a G+1. So my one probably may not be the way to go.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. It will costly.
Yeah. The same thing here in the first floor.
Same, sir.
So I just copy paste here and put this inside. Then we talk about finishing work, right?
Yes, brickwork, plasters.
Plasters. Okay.
BBM plasters.
DDM plaster.
BBN and plasters.
What is DDM?
BBM, sir. Brickwork plasters. BBM. BBM and plaster.
What is BBM?
Block machineries, short
some brickwork.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, the brickwork and plaster. Should I write brickwork and plaster?
Yes.
But finish
Then tiling work.
tiling work. Here also it will be first floor, G floor and first floor, or it will not be that way.
Same.
So let me put it, so the G floor and then first floor.
Painting.
Put this inside this, and this tiling will be inside this, and this painting. Good enough?
Yes.
Plumbing and
this-
electrical work.
MEP work we can say. Some
Plumbing and
MEP work.
plumbing and electric work.
electric work.
We can put it before tiling.
Before tiling. Okay. So I think this is good. And same thing can be put it here, right?
Yes.
And this will be put it and indent it. And below this, I think it will be completing this inspection.
And
Housewarming.
positions.
Possession means getting an OC, right? Handover.
Yes, handover.
Registration.
Yeah, consider let registration is done, handover. Inspections, possession,
And handover.
handover. Yeah, is this right?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
possession will be after that, or let's say housewarming.
No, handover means possession.
I put it housewarming as the last thing.
Okay.
Okay, so it's still 40 tasks, right?
Yes.
Let me make it here. Scope one as such. Scope, budget, and schedule. Schedule preparation, right? And I remove these two. ये this हो गया. This is excavation, foundation, substructure, concrete work, G floor, first floor, finishing. Yeah, this is so I think should be okay. Can't reduce any further, right? I think this is we have to live with. Okay. So I have put some kind of milestone. Let's put some milestone here also. Like this is the concrete work done. Here let's take some milestone like RCC or concrete work done completed or RCC completed. And here I will put ready for inspection. We will use them as milestones, and housewarming we again consider as a milestone. Okay, so let's make it. If you have, like, you may be making in parallel, but let's make it now. Complete it.